Hello guys, kindly check this application out. Good. Now this project is going to help us toggle between any two items on our coding journey. For the purpose of this example, let's use the menu and the close icon. If you want to type along with me, kindly install npm install React icons. So that is that. With all said and done, let's begin. Thank you very much. Let's begin by creating two folders now. So I'll see folder. Let's call the first one assets. Good. Let's call the next folder components. Now let's see the first one, asset. Now in this project we have no spinners or images, so let's leave it blank. Move to the next one, components. Let's create a file and call it main page. Main.js. Go inside that we say array fce. Instead of ordinary div, why don't we give it react.fragment with a p tag to say hello. Let's link this main page to the app.js to view on the screen. So let's go to app.js and call main page. Good. So we call main page. Now let's import main page. Good. So that is that. Now let's check if our screen, if we got hello. You can see guys, we got hello on the screen, means we're ready to go. Now this is mobile first. Let's reposition everything. You can see it's ready. Let me make it bigger. So instead of hello, let's call our icons. Okay. So now let's go to React icons. Then we've done the installation ready. So next is to copy go to font awesome. Okay, good. So let's copy how to import them. So we just copy it, then go back, then we say good. Let's put the name here, and the name we want is fa bars. For bars. So that is that. Let's call it here. FA bars. Good. So that is that. Let's check it out. You can see that we got it. Let's also call FA times. So we say FA times. Good. Good. So I'll call FA times 2 here. FA times. Good. That is that. Let's check our screen. Good guys, we got it. So the next thing to do is let's add some class names. Good. So we say class name text9xl. So what we're going to do is to use state. Okay, let's import use state. So we say use state. Good. What next? So let's call our state. So we say const toggle set toggle equals use state, and let's begin. Let's make it first. Then we can now say that. Good. We can now say that const handle toggle equals what? A function which inside that we can say set toggle is equal to what? Not toggle. Okay. So just this is the code we're going to use. So now we're going to create an on click on all the two icons. Okay. Then we give them the name handle toggle. Okay. So let's go to our icons. To the FA bars, we say handle toggle. The next one to on click handle toggle. So that is that for the two. Now what we're going to do now is to create a condition such a way that when the toggle is false, it will display one at a time. Okay, so let's put our GSS here. Okay, so inside that we say if toggle equals false. Good. What do you do? Then display the FA bars. You cut it and put it there. Good. Otherwise, a column. Otherwise, what do you do? Then display the times. You cut that and put it inside. Okay, guys. That is that. Let's check it out. You can see, guys, it's working. So lastly, what we're going to do is to center our icons. So to center that, I prefer to use the how do you call it, custom CSS, okay, which are called centered. Good. So inside that, we're going to have display flex, justify content center, align item center. Okay, so let's call this on the section. Okay, so at the section, let's call this So at the section column, we can say, we give it a class name and say centered width full and what height screen. So let's run it and check it. You can see, guys, now we have our icons at the center of the screen. When we expand it, you can see, guys, it's still at the center of the screen. So that is that, guys. Thank you so much for sticking through. Catch you in the next one. Please don't forget to do good. See ya.